It's time for grilled cheese on the Presto skillet. We're going to be making 7 grilled cheese sandwiches here, all using one skillet, and we'll be making them at the same time, which is the beauty of having this. Preheat the skillet to about 350 and then lay out all of your pieces of bread. Then you're going to put a thin layer of mayonnaise on each piece of bread. If you're not used to making grilled cheese with mayonnaise, I understand your hesitation. However, as a true mayonnaise hater, I can honestly say that this is the best way to make grilled cheese. It'll make the bread super crispy, way better than butter. But if you refuse to do mayonnaise, just do butter for this step. Next, you're going to assemble. We like to do a little mixture of Mexican cheese and cheddar cheese, and some of these will be 2 slices of cheddar cheese.
I'm going to start the video.
After a few minutes and checking to make sure everything's melted and everything's golden brown, you can put them on your plates.